Come with me to make a Caesar, but with a twist, a Nando's twist. The first thing I do is I like to take some Caesar rimmer, or if you don't have that, you can use a celery salt. And I take my glass and I use the rimmer around the edge of the glass, and this gives a nice like little salt kick to the side. To get the salt to stick on the rim of the glass, all you do is just take a little bit of lemon or lime, or even some water if you don't have any lime or lemon, and you put it around the rim of the glass, and then you just dump it in the salt until it's on there. Next, you want to add some ice. The desired amount is up to you. I generally like to add 2 or 3 ice cubes, because you have to remember that the more ice cubes you add, the more watered down your drink will be as the ice melts. So you have to determine what works best for you. Next is one of the holy grail ingredients of Caesar's, Lea and Perrins Worcestershire sauce. I hope I said that right. You can use other brands, but the Lea and Perrins, in my personal opinion, is the absolute best. Then you add another holy grail ingredient that's not usually in the traditional Caesar, but some Nandos sauce. Give it a little bit of a kick, and it's similar to Tabasco, but it just has that Nandos flair. Then I like to add my garnish before I pour in my Clamato. So here I'm using some pepperettes, and I'm also putting in some pickles. I usually like to use dill pickles, not any sweet pickles, because I don't think the sweetness adds to the flavor in the Caesar. Next, you can add Clamato next if you want to do a virgin, or if you'd like, you can add some vodka, as you can see here. And lastly, the other ingredient that is amazing is the Clamato juice. This is really the backbone of the Caesar and is what makes it different from a Bloody Mary. So then you just stir everything up, and you're ready to drink your Nandos Caesar drink.
Cheers and enjoy, and till next time, see you then.